Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions, students, we have discussed and that problem, the in denominator, that is only one variables. But if in denominator, in one term, both the variables are present, that means x and y, in one term. I'm talking about this term. There are two terms, that is 10 upon x plus y. The x and y both are present in the first term and the second term also. And such type of problems we will solve like this one. We can directly solve this one by the elimination method, but let's do it by traditional method. First, this is equation 1 and that is equation 2. Now equation 1 can be written this is 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. And equation 2 can be written like this is 15 into 1 upon x plus y and minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y. This is equal to minus 2. Now we'll check this one. In the first equations, 1 upon x plus y in the first term, and second equation 1 upon x plus y in the first term. So both are the same. So we can take it to another variables apart from the x and y. Let 1 upon x plus y is equal to, that is capital A, and 1 upon x minus y, that is this common same and equation first and second. Let this is b. See, now the equation 1 becomes 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Write it equation number 3rd, and equation 2 becomes of 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2, equation number 4. Now we can solve it by these equations for a and b, not for x and y. First we have to solve for a and b and then solve for the x and y. Let's see this one. We can use it substitution method, elimination method, or a cross multiplication method. I am using elimination method. Okay, see here the coefficient of b is 2, and in this equation the coefficient of b is 5. Now unless I'm doing this as equation 3, this is multiplied by 5, and equation 4 multiplied by 2. This is now 3 is 5. This is 50a plus 10b, 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. And then this is equation 4 becomes this is 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Now the coefficients is 10, and there the coefficient of b is 10, and here it is minus 10. So we will add these two equations. Because opposite sign is there and coefficient is same, we can eliminate b by easily. This is 10b cancel out, and this is 50 plus 30. We have 80a. We added this one. This is 50 chocolate plus 30 chocolate, 80 chocolates. Chocolate means here this is capital A, and this is 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Now 80 is the multiple of a, and it will become denominator on right hand side. 16 1 5 80. So this implies that a is equal to 1 upon 5. And see, we need x and y. So let's put the value of a. A is 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. If we cross multiply, this is x plus y is equal to 5. Now let this equation is 5. Now we have another equations which is free from the denominators, where the variables are not in denominator, but it is two variables equations. We have to further solve this one. Now put the value of x plus y in equation 1 or 2, or put the value of a in any equations. I am going to put in equation third. Then we have, this is 10 into a is 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 to the 10. Now this is 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. This implies that 2b is equal to 2. This implies that b is equal to 1. Now put the value of b. b is, we have 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. That is 1. That means cross multiply, so x minus y is equal to 1. Let this equation is 6. Right? Now solve this one. We have x plus y is equal to 5. That is equation 5. Now solve these two equations. What we get, that is minus y, this is plus y, we can add easily. This is cancel out. X plus x, 2x is equal to 6. Then x is equal to, we have x is equal to 3. This is x is equal to 3. If we transport this one right hand side and put the value of x, in equation, any equation, it is putting in equation 5. This is 3 plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 3. This is equal to 2. Now we have the solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now look this one. First we have separated this x plus y and x minus y, and we have written this is 10 into 1 upon x plus y and plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y, the same thing 15 this one, and check it, and both the equations, the 1 upon x plus y the first term, 1 upon x plus y the first term, and 1 upon x minus 1 upon x minus the second term. What we have done, this is the net, we have let this variable, this fractions, or another variable, let a and b, capital A, capital B, or small a, any others apart from the xy, you can put any alphabet. This is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4, and we get this is 15a minus 5y is equal to minus 2. And by elimination we solve this equation third and fourth. We get a is equal to 1 upon 5, and put the value of a, because we need not to find out the a, we need, this is x plus y basically, and this is 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon 5, and cross multiply we get the x plus y is equal to 5, and other equations in two variables. And put the value of a, or you can put the value of x plus y in equations 1 or 2. You can put any one. We get, if we put the x plus y in equation 1, we get the x minus y. Or we put the value of a in equation third and fourth. We have put this in third and get b is 1, and then b, put the value of b, we get the x minus y 1. Then we have to solve the equation 5 and 6. After solving the 5 and 6 by any method, we get the x and y. Okay, thank you students. Next session we will solve some another problem. Thank you.